definitely has a lot of demand, and specifically NAOQ19 right now. And now that it also has the Ministry of AYUSH's approval, I'm sure that it will be very well taken care of in other countries as well. And as we speak, the medicine is also exported to Europe and also to US, and also very soon to the Middle Eastern countries and Africa right now, जहाँ की बहुत इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है, जहाँ की घाना में, नाइजीरिया में, युगांडा में, टांजानिया में, इधर सब देशों में बहुत सारा अभी इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है. There people are really looking at the aspect as to how herbal medicine can make a difference in their life. And we've seen that this is something that what India has definitely kept itself and also given across to the world. And I'm very happy to make a note over here that the government of India, the Ministry of AYUSH, and also the Honorable Prime Minister, who's got across a separate ministry for this entire science, is really giving a great base for the science to evolve and thrive. And also recently when Dr. Tedros also came across here to India, we've seen that the ministry also has set up an AYUSH Export Promotion Council to take the authentic Ayurveda both products and practices across the country and also to the world. And Sri Sri Tattva is also a very proud founding member of this particular council. Thank you very much.
ये 60 टैक्स की प्रोडक्ट है या और छोटी पेरी कुछ और है? प्राइस भी क्या है इसका? प्राइस क्या है? प्रोडक्ट सेम है? प्राइस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट कितने क्वांटिटी है?
Yeah, so the price of the product and the quantity of the products, we are ensuring that we are coming out with 60 tablets, that is there. And also the details, the entire details of the product, I would invite you to come on to our website www.srisritattva.com, and it is available. Any other details that whatever you require over there, it is most definitely available for you over there.
What is the production size or the market size you are looking at in terms of numbers? Because you said that it is to be utilized in India and abroad as well. So what is the, if I may say in 3 to 4 quarters, what is the market size you are looking for your product?
See, yeah, when we launched this particular product, the main aim of this product was to ensure that we first make it, available for people, and we ensure that the pandemic is, eradicated. If you see the very essence and the time of research of this particular product was during the second wave, when the Delta variant came out, and it was extremely, notorious, and it really took a whole lot of people away. So the entire essence of this particular product is not to look at its market size, but to really see that how we can benefit people at large. But definitely this is a product that what we would like to take across to the masses and export it across to the countries wherever Sri Sri Tattva is there. And right now, as what I mentioned to you, a whole lot of countries are showing interest to this, but there are regulatory things that what need to be taken care of in those countries, what Sri Sri Tattva is taking care of. This much I can tell you that there is definitely a whole lot of interest. I wouldn't want to put a number to it as of right now, because the amount of interest that is being shown nationally and internationally is certainly very encouraging for now. But definitely it is very, very encouraging.
Does this product go as a food supplement abroad, or does it go as a medicine? And has WHO, if you have approached WHO, because if it goes abroad, then WHO will come into figure.
Correct. So as of right now, as what I mentioned to you, that we've got the approval from here in India. So based on this particular approval, there are registrations that what need to happen. I'm very happy to share with you that Sri Sri Tattva is perhaps one of the first organization, and also the first organization to get the ANMAT GMP as far as even Argentina goes for Ayurveda. We have the herbaceutical license when it comes to the Ministry of Health in Oman, and also the Ministry of Health in UAE. Sri Sri Tattva also has as a botanical medicine in terms of Ministry of Health in Canada as well for our medicines. So we are going to register this particular drug as an Ayurveda medicine. And as what I mentioned to you, that Sri Sri Tattva is also very much a part of the AYUSH Export Promotion Council that has been recently set up. So we are here to ensure that Ayurveda is recognized as a system of medicine worldwide. And not only with regards to the medicines, but also the doctors. Ayurveda is something that is very dependent on its doctors. So we are working for both the recognition of the medicine as well as the doctors as well.
Sir, can you set it to a food supplement?
Sorry?
Food supplement.
Yes. So as what I mentioned to you that, so I covered that in the initial part, whereby I mentioned that NAOQ19 can be used, of course, as a preventive, as a prophylactic, but here we established its efficacy with regards to it being on the curative aspect as well, whereby we have got an approval from the Ministry of AYUSH as a supported drug, as also in its own words, as an add-on therapy for mild to moderate COVID-19 medicines.
सर मेरा सवाल है
And
कि आमतौर से